My name is Potlako Moorosi. I'm the new General Manager of Thermitrex, South Africa. I'm a mechanical engineer by trade, and I have over 20 years experience in the rail industry, in the automotive industry, and also in heavy engineering, where my biggest focus was on operational efficiency. In the rail industry, I was a project manager, transfer of technology, of which I believe the experience and the skills that I gained and I implemented in the Greenfields project of the rolling stock for the Prasa trains gave me that experience and to actually be able to transmit the skills in our sister companies and bring them locally. So with Thermitrex, we have a lot of research and development that is happening with the companies in Germany. So that actually puts me in a position where I can get the positive improvements that were made and implement them locally, where now even our customers will benefit on a superior product. My biggest focus in these 6 months is operational efficiency, especially in our Foundry division, because in the Goldschmidt Thermit group, we're the only ones with the Foundry. So I want us to be the center of competence, where we will be supplying them with all the raw materials that are needed to produce the thermit, the metallic raw material, like the ferromanganese, vanadium, like the mild steel that we're producing in the Foundry. The focus is to improve the intercompany business and also be able to defend our position as the #1 supplier of the thermit welding consumables and accessories. Maintaining our position in the local market, we also be focusing more because we do have a presence in the Southern African region, where we are supplying customers in Mozambique, in Zimbabwe, in Botswana, in Namibia, and Angola. We also like to further develop that aspect of the business to grow within the region before we can even look at the Africa as a bigger market. So we need to firstly consolidate our local market in South Africa, then further develop the relations with the customers in the Southern African region. So basically, yes, it will be a three-pronged approach where we will be looking at the intercompany business, which has a big potential to grow, of growth. We will be looking at the local market, South African market, where we need to defend our position through superior service that we give into our customers, continually improving product where it will give benefits also to our customers, because if they are happy with the product that we're giving them, then we're happy. We're not only supplying the products, but we're supplying solutions. So we like to have feedback and we like to support them in each and every step when they're busy using our product. We're learning a lot from our sister companies. I went to ET, Electrothermit in Germany, where they've made advances on the sand molds that we are producing. So having seen that and the benefits that it has on the quality of the welds, it's some things that we need to also improve on our sides, because the customers are going to benefit with that enhanced quality that comes from the research and development. So there's a lot of focus on research and development on the products that we're producing, and we also somehow need to harness whatever that they found that side and implement it this side. So that is where the transfer of technology skills will come in. We also do have a technical support team where frequently we are called by the customers to come and assist them on the challenges that they have. We travel all over Southern Africa. One of our technical experts actually went to Mozambique last week for 2 days to assist the customer in terms of the demonstrations on how to effectively utilize our welding consumables. So it's something that will continue offering support. Hence I said we're not selling the product, we're actually offering solutions to our market. As Thermitrex, we are here to support our customers on the product aspect and also on the know-how in terms of how to effectively utilize our product.